Hi, welcome to Yoga and You. My name is Joshna Ramakrishnan. In today's episode, we're going to learn some yoga postures to sleep better. In the recent days, many of us are suffering from sleep disorders. We're not able to sleep as soon as we go to the bed. Why is it? Because of a lot of stress we undergo in our everyday life, it becomes very difficult to relax our brains. There's constant chatter in our brains all the time about something or the other. It's either the past or the future. We're constantly worried about something. So this chatter is affecting our resting period. The sleep is one of the most important time where your body rejuvenates, comes back to its natural state, and also your immune system starts working better. So if your sleep is compromised, then we get all types of ailments. So how can we improve our sleep routine, and what are the things we can do to make sure that we sleep and we sleep peacefully? There are certain asanas you can do to really calm your muscles, calm your brain, and also to relax your spine and all the joints. So what are these asanas? And that's what we're going to explore in this series. And first, for that you need a cushion, either a bolster like that, or if you have a pillow, I would suggest you take a pillow which is a little thicker in size. So use a pillow, try and keep it in between your legs. Try and sit on the pillow so that your spine is nice and long. As you exhale, you're going to go forward all the way down towards the floor. So your chest is nicely rested. Even you can bring the pillow slightly forward so your face also is rested, and you release your hands to the side or place your palms forward. You stay here and breathe very gently to allow your system to calm down. So while doing this practice, I also request you to turn your lights off a little bit so that you are not really awakened because of the lights. You try to make sure your lights in your rooms are mellow and you rest completely. Here you try to focus on your breath, allowing your spine to relax. Now slowly you're going to come back up and sitting position. As you exhale, you're going to place your hands behind your toes and fingers pointing towards your toes. Keep your fingers separated, open your chest and slowly drop your head back. Keep breathing here. If it's uncomfortable to drop your head back, keep your chin to your chest. Just lift your chest up as much as you can. Open your chest. You're going to repeat it one more time. Exhale, you're going to bend forward. You bring your palms in front of you and drop your head down towards the floor. Inhale, you'll slowly sit up. Take your hands behind. Open your chest a little bit so that your breath becomes full in your lungs. Exhale, you come back. Gently remove the pillow out. So during this practice, you also can keep your eyes closed if you feel the instructions are clear enough. If you feel you can't understand, you can still watch the video, but as much as you can, keep your eyes really not distracted because of the light. And you're going to sit with your left leg in towards your groin, right leg is stretched out. You put your bolster or the pillow in front of you, and you're going to just stretch as much as you can and take your forehead on the bolster. If you feel like that's too low for you, you can't go. You can actually keep two bolsters, two pillows, so that you can still be here. So this is a very relaxing posture. It's not about how much I can go deep into the posture. It's all about how can I relax in this place? How can I calm my brain? How can I feel comfortable with my breath and what's happening with my body? It's a posture to go deep within yourself. After 3 to 5 breaths, you gently raise up and you're going to change the legs. So you're going to keep your left leg straight out and you're going to bring your right knee in towards your groins. And you're going to keep your bolster closer to you and slowly allow your body to fold. If you feel this is difficult for you, you can slightly bend your knees as well so that you don't feel that intense stretch in your hamstrings. Allow your face to fall down towards the bolster and like you're hugging the bolster. And rest. Inhale, you slowly come up. We'll see if you can do with both legs straight out. You're going to keep your legs slightly open so that the bolster has place to be in between, and you're going to pull the bolster closer to you, like you're going to hug the bolster and drop your face down towards the bolster, and keep breathing here. You can interlock your fingers. Like I said, if this is not comfortable, you make 2 more pillows on top so that you are fully surrendering, fully resting into this space. Your legs can be relaxed, but make sure your knees are not lifting. If you feel it's too difficult to keep your knees straight, you can slightly bend your knees as well. But if you feel like I can do it, please press your knees down. Taking a couple of breaths here. Now slowly raise up. So all these postures, we are trying to do it very gently and slowly. So make sure you're not in a rush to finish one and go to the next one. And you're going to release the bolster and place it behind your hips. Right now, you're going to keep your feet together in Baddha Konasana or the butterfly asana, where your feet together and toes together, your knees are on the side. So if you feel this is comfortable, some of us might be here. So then you can just hold and round your back and stay in this position. If you feel like, no, I can't touch my knee to the floor, make it a little bit more challenging by placing the bolster on top of it and allowing your body to curl and dropping your head down. And all these are very simple and gentle postures. At the same time, it stretches your body, and because you're focusing on deep breathing, you'll automatically start to calm down your nerves and you will go into a nice deep resting state. Now as you inhale, you come back up. Exhale, keep the bolster or the pillow behind you, but this time vertically behind you, and see if you can slowly drop your back onto the bolster. Chest is open. You take your hands up over your head, hold your elbows and drop your arms to the sides like that, to your ears. So this is a very relaxing posture for your lower back, your middle back, your upper back, and also for your neck. You see, your hip is nicely open. For some of us, our knees are still up here, but still it feels very relaxing. If you feel that's uncomfortable, you can stretch your legs a little bit more out to see if your knees can touch the floor. If you're comfortable, bring your heels back again, drop your knees to the floor, and you'll stay here just focusing on your chest. You feel how your chest expand and contract when you breathe in and out. You're going to do 5 times. So now imagine your chest is a balloon. When you inhale, your chest expands like a balloon. Exhale all the air out. Inhale again. Exhale all the air out. 2 more. Fill in your lungs with air. Inhale. Fill the chest up as much as you can. Exhale. Allow the chest to fall down. Last time. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly relax. Good. Now you drop your hands to the sides and you're going to take your time to slowly sit up. So stretch your legs out very gently and you're going to turn towards one side. Keep your elbow down and slowly sit up. So that's your restorative sequence to sleep. And the last one we're going to do is with the help of a chair or a wall. So you're going to use a chair like this or a wall to do this posture. So what you're going to do, you come closer to the chair or the wall. I would suggest you go on to the side first and then you lie down on the side, lifting your legs to place on the chair. So if this is comfortable, you keep your calf muscles nicely rested, knee nicely rested. And from here, you're going to use your hands on your belly to lift your belly up as you inhale. So you're going to use your breath to move your belly up and down. Inhale, fill the belly up like a balloon. Exhale, relax. Inhale again. Exhale. One more time. exhale. If this is comfortable for you, I would say come closer to the chair a little bit more and try and straighten your legs so that right now the chair is supporting your thighs and you can hold the legs of the chair, and let the point your toes towards the sky and flex your toes towards your face. Point and flex. If you're doing it in the wall, it will be much more easier. The wall will take the weight of your legs, and you keep pointing, flexing, pointing, flexing. 3 more. 2. And slowly bend your knees towards you. Hug your knees if you can. Just gently trying to massage your lower back. Keeping your eyes closed throughout the practice. It's always good to keep your eyes closed. And slowly you're going to stretch your legs out and lie down on the bed by itself. But if you feel like you want to get up, you can slowly sit up and do some pranayama work as well. So you're going to turn towards one side and then you sit up. You will do some breathing. If you feel like you're already falling asleep, I would say without coming up, you just turn this video off and you go to sleep. If you feel like you still have a little bit more space for breath work, you sit upright, close your eyes, mentally set an intention. Today I'm going to sleep better. You repeat this 9 times while you're inhaling. As you exhale, you will say, I will release all the stress from today's activities. Now, as I inhale, you'll say, I will sleep better. Exhale, I'm releasing all the stress. Inhale, I will sleep better. Exhale, I release all the stress. Repeat it another 6 times mentally. And by the end of that 6th time, you automatically feel much more relaxed and calm, and you then go into a nice, peaceful state of sleep. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much.